They can't choose only female chicks. The male chicks are it's like 50-50, right? The male chicks do not
Yeah.
produce any eggs. So cheapest thing to do, most profitable thing, kill them. Sometimes it's in a gas chamber. They're just gassed to death, but like most common is typically the chick grinder. That's the nickname. It's they're just put on a conveyor belt into a macerator, grinded.
I'd heard about that. I'd heard about the chick run.
Yeah.
I didn't know if it was real or not, but
Oh yeah.
I guess
Yeah.
so.
Yeah. Let me know if the footage is too much. By the way, sometimes it can get really brutal, so I could just turn it off if you want.
No, I mean, it's nice to, see what's actually happening.
No, absolutely. Yeah, that's how I felt. It's like one thing to kind of hear about it, but like when like you see actual visual aids, it's just kind of like, oh
Helps a
shit.
lot.
Oh yeah.
It's like, oh, it's a real problem.
Sometimes they are stunned with a captive bolt gun, but it's not always effective. But yeah, there's that.
Mhm.
Then another method of execution is literal gas chambers. You'll see footage of that later. It's not even like painless
Okay.
gas, anything. It's literal carbon dioxide entering their lungs. Seems like
Gas
hell on
chambers.
earth,
I didn't think gas chambers was. I didn't know they still like just use those for.
Yeah, they.
I thought that was.
When I first like learned about it, I was like, no way, but yeah, they do.
How would soy? Because I know soy is not particularly like good for human, for at least
Oh
males,
no,
right? I've heard that
oh no,
it's
the
not
the
like
thing you're
great.
thinking of is phytoestrogen. So typically, there's the concern from the word estrogen, but phyto means it's only absorbable by plants. So it's a plant estrogen, so it has no effect on humans, I believe.
What do you think about honey, just in general?
Honey,
Like,
I prefer not to because I think it's unethical because the honeybee species are driving out native populations. That's like the one big concern, the biggest concern.
okay.
So native bee populations are important for pollination, but honeybees are kind of like fucking them over. There's also the
Mhm.
issue of culling hives in the off season and whatnot. So yeah, it just kind of reinforces the idea of having animals as commodities.
What documentary is this from?
We have a lot of resources here. We're doing outreach on Discord. If you join,
Okay.
you could talk to people and get like help on resources and like there's just a community that's cool. The clips that I've showed you all of this from is a documentary called Dominion 2018,
Okay.
and yeah, I really recommend giving it a watch. It is a hard watch, but it's really informative.
Oh, I can. Yeah, but I mean, it's it'd be nice to be informed about more of it. Thanks for giving me something to like actually learn about on Omegle. It's been nice.